And then the only third thing I wanted to cover with permissions is the licensing and how you can sort of look at that. So you can actually go license in the admin tool here, and you can go license usage, and you can see it here. All PDM licenses are network licenses. So you'll see they're always floating. When you log into a vault, you pull a license. So you can see here, there's my server name that I'm working off of, where my license manager is located. It might be the same place where the PDM vault is hosted. It could be somewhere else. You can see I have a PDM CAD editor license right now in use. I have 3 licenses available, or 3 total available. 2 are free right now because I'm using one. So pretty easy to see right there. So any admin can check that at any time. You can also go here and you can see the other file types or the other license types if you own these. So there are 3 PDM license types. Professional contributor is a contributor license, professional viewer. Those come in 5 packs, and that's a viewer license. So like Tanner said earlier, when you log in, if you actually log in with a viewer license, let's say, then you have certain level of base permissions where you can only view things. You can't change, you can't change workflows or anything like that in the vault, or you can't edit files. You're just a viewer. But then you will have user permissions set up in the vault as a user or a group. So they all overlay on top of each other, but your base level of permissions that you can't get around are your license type, are based on your license type. So that's one way to see license types. The only thing that I wanted to cover there is how to switch license types. Most people don't ever do this, but it's something you kind of need to know. Sometimes people install the wrong license type, and then we have to go, here's how you switch it. But you can actually go to help, and you can go to about, and this is in the administration tool. Everybody that has PDM installed will have the administration tool installed, but many users just don't have a login to it. So they will have it installed, but they might not have rights to actually log in, which is fine. But you don't have to log in here to do this. If you open your help and then about section, it'll tell you your version, which is nice too. Always something to check. And then you can go client type, and I can switch my client type. So if I clicked on viewer and clicked OK and then restarted my computer, next time I log into the local view, I would have a viewer license, and you would see my name would pull a viewer license. So that's how you change that license type right there. All right. So yeah,
And
those are the main points that I see.
this is different from the SNL manager. If you do have a network license that is managed through an SNL manager, which they all are, then that will show you your PDM licenses entitlement as well.
Exactly.
This
Yep.
is different than that though, so don't confuse the two. This one
Mhm.
only shows you PDM entitlement and narrows it down to that.
Yeah, you'll see the exact same numbers if you load your solid network license manager application, which you can view from like my local computer here. I can open my license manager. I can go here to SolidWorks, and I can go 2024. Let's see, 2024 tools. And that right there, my solid network license manager client is going to show me this exact same floating pool of licenses, but it's going to show me all my CAD licenses as well. So you can see all those just like this.